Hello, welcome to OneSource Overseas. This is Sandeep Jadhav, and we have Dr. Chips, the president of California Miramar University. She's here to tell you more about California Miramar University. They have recently launched a campus in Silicon Valley, and over to you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for having us here today.
My pleasure.
So again, my name is Dr. Chip Vasquez here from California Miramar University. Excited to be here in India, but more importantly, excited to share with you some exciting news that we are launching a new campus out in Silicon Valley. California Miramar University has 3 different campuses. We have one in San Diego, one in Los Angeles, and our new launch in Silicon Valley. But the more exciting news is that we're becoming an AI first university where students can learn and really get IT experience to really learn how to use AI in business or in their everyday in work.
Great,
Yes.
great. So, like we all know that Silicon Valley is one of the best place to study anything related to computers, anything related to artificial intelligence, and AI is in vogue.
Yes.
So, what kind of careers choices do they have after finishing the BBA in artificial intelligence?
Absolutely. So when we actually put together our programs, we looked and we researched some of these AI programs. So there are product managers in AI, there's program managers in AI, there's various data analytical AI jobs that are out there. So I think there's a huge sector of AI jobs that are out there, and our students can really leverage getting into these jobs by having the basic skill sets for AI.
All right.
Absolutely.
And like you also mentioned that this program is STEM based. So there are very few programs in US which are business programs, but they are also STEM oriented. So we are introducing a STEM program which calls for 3 years of OPT. So isn't that amazing?
It's absolutely amazing. So to your point, students can take either a bachelor's in administration with an AI concentration, or even at a graduate level for a master's program with an AI concentration. Absolutely.
Great. So anybody who's looking to get a great degree, that too in Silicon Valley, get OPTs and CPTs to be experienced, doing internships, externships while you are graduating, while you're finishing your bachelor's, improving your chances to get into Apple, Amazon, and the top 500 MNCs which are based out of Silicon Valley. I would suggest this is the best university. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Chips. Any last word you want to tell?
We welcome you all. We look forward to seeing you in the US, and we are excited to have students from all around the world come join us, and especially from India. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.